It's dawn patrol, 6:07 in the morning, and we're gonna head down to Makkas, which is in South Haven, Yellows. I have no clue if it's good or not. I have no clue if the wind's on it, but we're gonna go out and try and have some fun. Picking up a friend, so don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, comment, send it to someone who you think might like this kind of content, and follow through. Alright. Alright, so water and coffee check secured. Of course I'm gonna refill. Like, I cuss my wife about it all the time. I'm not gonna not refill the ice cube tray, even though I'm in a rush. Hey guys, so we're at Copa. I got a call and heard that Makkas isn't good. As in, it's not bad, it has waves, but it's doing a thing where we talk about in surfing, where it's closing out, which means on the left of the wave and the right of the wave, where you would be riding, the white water like takes up majority of the ride. So we kind of just made a call and said we're gonna come surf Copa. There's some nice ones coming through. The sun is out, the place is so pretty. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you for tuning in. Please rise for the Copa local national anthem.
Big Santa Claus! Outside!
Hey guys, yeah, sorry about the hair. I lost my bandu, or the thing that I used to keep on my hair during the surf. But that was today's episode. I had a blast. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Saw some people get some wicked waves like Tep, you know, ripping, you know. And also, big up to Jeep. You don't know, you guys got us out here. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, the works. Big up.
Hey guys, it's dawn patrol, 6 o'clock in the morning. We're heading out to Makkas. Hey guys, so it's dawn patrol, 6:07 in the morning.